Ka Meghalaya Joint Action Committee, Kabakanthop Yaka Association of Meghalaya Traders and Transporters, Jaintia Hill Truck Owner Association, Batka All Jaintia Hill Cement Cylinder Association, Mentakasngi Ka Arpulai Tarik Urampang, Arhajar Arpusau, Habayakren Bat Kilat Pathai Kubor, Kilayatu Baki Cement Company, Kibadon Ha East Jaintia Hills, Kile Kat Bakimon, Bat Ki Knyot Benye Ki Nong Shalando Yong Ni Maushun, Kibadai Nakani Ka Jilla, Namarba Dan Bakmi Lang Nakaliang Ka Sorkar, Ne District Council. Uba Pasi, Ubalong U General Secretary ka JAC, Ulayatu Ru Babon Bah ka Jingdo Nong, Hakaliang ka Jingyo Lum Kajna, Kaba ka Sorkar ka Banyo, Bat Kila Dawana ka Sorkar, Banbo Ikaway Kalat Custom Station, Hakuliang.
Yo iba kelahir ke jingka hi ke tray ke kata apa ke state Meghalaya yang i kitrokas yang i ki suppliers yang i transporters warlo ngile i ba ke hiaro ka jing yo long ke revenue jong government andre ni wat ye kene kita ngi kwa kan queue yang revenue yang leakage kadon sibun ba leakage revenue na government kadon ro ki da ba kuno yang i ba kata ta government ka do nong ngi pat ba ngi do nong ngi ki businessman ro ngi do nong sai dan kata kada ngila pay sli bhai ne ngila kular ngila rai ban form ngi ga Meghalaya Joint Action Committee ban monitor alor kini ki jing jongi hakit ka ba ka tray ka is ka bodon nang te apo sini sa East Jaintia Hills ngi ba ki cement factories ila ban len kat ba kimon ado munta kisni ngi ba ki yo ban lat ban le kat ba kimon ladingi pe ladingi ithoi pi jing sisa kalong ka ba pang mun sel ni ban tip ye jing sisa bagi cement factory ila ban le kat ba kimon kiwan na kari ka ba jangai ba na do na Punjab na ne nagiri na po na nagpo keleng-keleng ri India sa state tagiwan ban set up business yung i hang niya po sini sa thain jong ni sa hamtam city police 20 district ban manswa kim tip tangis tim nang kai grang silong ran ta gila tip bagas da silong de gane East Jaintia Hills de gate ila set up iga industries ba anda set up these industries dan i ba iknyot ya local suppliers nado how de yong nado how limestone iknyot ikata nangta lagadon ki baki bat kalap kadon po jongki langit kit yo yong all ngiwat yo yong ko ba andre ki ong busniu ki don kalap laboratory don pat ki yang to ki analyze ki test yang to ki ice contents langi ki moisture contents kata khendeu ne ka jingdon gum atau yo yong ki ai report himti mdon ni tep dat baki ai ni haban pun ka sarkar kamdon ketira ban don lang hanto dan ke district council kamdon ketira ni pajba ro ngintip na taladang ngikid do hakali jongiro ladang ngikid kalau no ton ro ka subo ngikid arkau ton la ton subo arkau ton example teki hapo space ki tim maki ki operate maki lada arkau ki om khatsan ni haban ngai jamut kene ki manipulate ya ke business jong ni ka bang la sobotong plus na kata ya ke bill ki ai jelang de ki panai saposan sni arnai la banai andre ki beliau jong ki bat ki le bat ki ai kat bakimon ki le hi ki wan hi ki thet hi do yong ro te ki la ban le kat bamon plus andor kata ro kan leakage jong revenue ro kalong ka ba he ba jing de bat cement factories ni ba na supply do yong na supply do limestone mdon de kata ka jing check ke na ka DMR kamdon na ka tax kamdon na district council kamdon non gono andre lagi ki kali ki ya de spa ton de ki peu kali do yong ne ki mausun talaga ka to ka revenue ka leakage revenue lada ka government ka tap ye kine ka leakage revenue ki deploy gitu ki agents jong government am to talaga ne ka leakage revenue ka government ka laban sna di spa di spa kilometer surok laban sna di school di hospital di council jong state Jaintia Hills District Council Autonomous District Council hawai kong kamdon tulok ni ihagine bau CM om ba the government kamlaban ay tulok ya staff jong the district council. The district council ka don siya haba kita nado para kanai tili cement factory support stay. La the district council katapi itu geliki sa revenue no limestone no yong. Dan ni gino gabo yang gino ban generate revenue. Ngatrai ba district council ka bon bisa ba. Kalaban sudut barohot ibi tutulok jong ka staff jong ka ibi sa di nai. Andre the government ro campaign ya ka ya cement factories the district council ro campaign neta kan leakage of revenue kadun ka kanong kababon ha tena kata daw ni request government ban aino kita bi integral check gate ban deploy ban bom barakhoy kido gi officers naga state na district council ban bo ni ban kenaman toy government banyo revenue agjo ko poro kenang ba upat ba supply sutur ulat ban tip ya ka actual quality jong tu yong ya actual ton kanoton boket kenang ba company kimlah ban punya ben ha no gono ini
Ui ba supply ba state.
no
Ui ba supply ba dito ba state.
ba supply tu jadi tu yong iba supply tu yong di local ya na po na tina Manabaro don iba wan nabaro don di local don
Kaya kita kriya ba na maro.
iba wan nabaro don iba ni ro kapdon criteria ro Dapat mensuah di cement factory atau gisnem kano gisnem arajar kano to sito katsan handreu itu tiong nila supply ni do yong tiong bon new ice contents bon new slate mentapat kat boyo pi basubam tetapi ba supply te hoy idon ba local ba supply idon bawan nabar ro supply to tang ba kiknat pat yang ni di lokal namar bomdon ba pek baseli ha naga district council na naga 100 kilometers of good roads every year in East Jaintia Hills district. The government is turning blind eyes to both revenue leakage and mineral supplied to the cement industries, and also it bringing down the fuel costs in the state. Tapping of revenue leakage from minerals supplied to cement industries will enable the government to cut tax rates of fuels like petrol and diesel extra. The government should also come up with a policy to protect local transporters while giving various subsidies to the cement and other factories. Proper agreements should be made so that the preference is given to local transporters to transport the products from various industries located across the state. As of now, transporters from Punjab, Jammu, Kashmir and other states are preferred by the cement factories in Jaintia Hills, and local transporters are sidelined mostly. Moreover, there is absolutely too little employment opportunity for the local people in all the cement factories. That means we agree that truckers, transporters, we have too little opportunity to get involved in the business in the factories. Even our youths also are too little to get employed at the factories. Because of these factories, they, as I have said, they have come a long way from India. The main purpose for them is to come here is to earn the profits. After all our natural resources are finished, they are going away. So we are left like a state which is a half nut, and we are depending in the Jaintia Hills. Most of us we are depending mainly in mining, like mining of coal, limestone, and all. So if the government allow these factories to do whatever they want without have a proper checking, that means there is a huge leakage of revenue, as I said, because as of now there is no check gate. We would like to request the government to put integral check gates so that this cement factory, they can be tapped at the revenue leakage. Suppose trucks are coming, cement, limestone, no one knows how much the tons they are carrying, and the revenue also is leakage. And also when the local supplier like some limestone and coal, when they supply to the cement factories, so these cement factories are manipulating, manipulating our product, our raw materials. They are keeping in their secret, means like a wage bridge and laboratory to check the contents of ice and moisture of the coal supply. And the wage bridge also they keep in the secret, means they are not disposed to us publicly, so that we cannot know how much ton we are carrying with the limestone. In case suppose we carry 30 tons, suppose we carry the 30 tons, for example. So cement factory can say that it's only 20 because we cannot. We have a watch at the wage bridge. Ini naga subo bangan sa trend sa ganing at sa gaway ko point halo gani ga land custom station nga ang bangidon don kamul ka land custom station. Kumalong unta kadon ga land custom station kadon tang gaway adapi. Baro kamnya bat east Jantia bat west Jantia Hills bat east Kasih Hills diwan do adapi. Kalong ka kapnya ba bamla banong kitrok ni hapan up do gilan. Da subo ban ban no yo do masun ne do yo kasim pordo sandrius ni yingi te kalong ka congested lang to tanyi ka way ni do kwa government ro halor ban pli ya ne ka land custom station hati apok kuliang kenang ban pensuk ban wen itu jing kapnya kenang ba economy jong ni pajba government ro kan goods nak ta ya kata ke ba ong ro nam ta limestone daga government daga factory kam bam na jong ilani ka khnyat bor itu limestone na do yong jong i hangto factory dan janing iban le chapo kuliang ko da umpiang tangi la ban yo ka dor ko biang ka government ro kan la ban jengjet ka in revenue nong to na ka po export import daga tangi ka ong government bang ka yo ka chief minister ko dong rom ni sarkar samban ban ikran lang ye kane ke issue ban sim serious ban ikran ban ka central government ban beli ke dalam custom station ke balong kam kerki yang station Jantia Hills kawai arpat kawai ongnya government ba kede bantap ya revenue leakage hapo cement factories na borok tigi prat lagi cement factories leban bo hapo the compound jongki ban check yo umar bawan bantap revenue kenang ba public revenue kenang ba government kan yo ya revenue kena bapak baru mentoy suppliers dulu nongsong senong kon supply government jadi ban sim interest ya ke revenue jong government but ban interest yang i bapak ndre ban sim interest tan ya ki tangi ki factory nomor gitu lah dia ke business ki lah kut ki lah pet sa tang mengi kemun kata ke ba government mantap juga leakage revenue po cement factory am hakapor menswa kam dalong tanggung nen hakapor menswa kema badang don gini ga Star Cement arjar sausan itu deh asan saw itu yang ta haketu por pimdon gini andre mentapat di supply mentai ladap kanu keli ngi supply subo subo keli ngadap tu ngi layo bil ngi supply itu besuk kador kumur goyo andre ladak ki mi pat ki bon teli hanang wai ke por pibon kidon nakata ki association jongki kai gini ka cement manufacturing association gila form dah kata ke bakile dah kata apa
bawan nabah karena sepakton kol lang
kebawan kebenawan nabar bat na yeng telong katung bediman ya kapor ba kitelang kiwan kinma ki factory kisim katung namaga yodewyong ke mesin jong ki kamnong pansange takila bo kane banya nyok to kane gato takat bakiyo ti klum no yodewyong
motion te kim nasib tan am mar bagiran ki
motion ngalong ngel i kidon hi ga kapar jong ki isale hearing na gawai ke por the banti ban extract yo limestone ang to but ki local pat ki badon ki pa ki local badon sto ki mod ban supply limestone na jong sto isa knet por ndai kum balong mentah kejagaban supply limestone hapo factory hari le jong ki hap ban supply pat sa te sa po Assam sa Pasgram sa Bangladesh dapat supply itu hal dia yang tu pat la manipulate tu factory